Okay, this is question 9 of a calculus min-max kind of question here. And let's just start it. They tell us here that there's a rectangle ABCD, and it's got an area of 432 square centimeters. And they tell us that AD is X, so I put an X right there. Well, I don't know what AB is, but I know when it multiplies by X, it has to equal 432. So that means X times Y equals 432. It means that the width here, Y, must be 432 over X. They tell us that this whole big page here, that if we add 3 to the Y part, we get... there's margins of 3, so we're going to add 6 to this width. And the margins of 4 here on either side of the length, we add 8 to it. If we multiply it, we'll get the area of the page. Now they ask us to show that it actually equals this. Well, let's just do FOIL and see what happens. 432 over X times X, the X's will cancel. I get 432. Then I go 432 over X times 8. Well, 8 times 432, oh, there's that number, 3,456. Then 6 times X is 6X, and 6 times 8 is 48. If we put the 48 and the 432 together, we get 480. Hey, we get exactly what we were supposed to show. So there we go. Now, say you had trouble doing that. All you have to do, this is the equation in terms of X that gives the area of this page. We want to make it maximum. So what you have to do is take the derivative of it. Take the derivative of it. There should be a little mark. Oops, there should be a little mark right up there. I just want to make a little mark with a deal here because we are going to take the derivative of this function. And you can't take it when it's in the form. So there's a prime of X is what we're going to do. We change this 3, 4, 5, 6 over X to the minus 1. So we can use our formula for finding the first derivative. We go negative times here. We get negative 3,456. We take away 1. We get minus 2. The derivative of 6X is 6. And there we have it. If we make this 0, that's where the maximum would be, the X value that will give us the maximum. So all we have to do is multiply everything by X squared. We get 6X squared. Add this 346 to this side, and we get 6X squared equals 3,456. Then divide by 6, we get X squared equals 576. Take the square root of both sides, and oh, they made it come out to a nice even number. X must be 300. It says determine the value of X, so we did it. X is 24 centimeters. Oh, and it makes the area a minimum. They ask for the minimum, and that's what the answer is. Not the maximum. They asked for the minimum, and there's the answer. So there you go.